A lot of people are worried right now about Coinbase completely shutting down anytime the prices go wild. That is concerning, but I'm going to give you my take on that after I go over some crazy information right now. We just had the euro getting decimated by Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit its all-time high against the euro today. And that was 11 days after Christine Lagarde said, from the ECB, said that it is worthless and it will fall to zero. Yeah, her reputation is falling to zero. That is for sure. Now, that's not just the euro, it's the pound. The pound, the Great British Pound, the oldest fiat currency in the world. Bitcoin just hit its all-time high against the British pound. Not only that, but we hit $100,000 today on the Aussie dollar. And that is an all-time high as well. Bitcoin's just, it's waking up the world, which is really nice. But I wish they woke up when prices were lower, when we were touting under $20,000 that we had bottomed. If you're in the camp of wanting to find out different coins to invest in, well, consider learningcrypto.com, home of the CT Club. That's what Heidi and I do all the time. All right, now let's go on to this. The Emir of Qatar showed up in El Salvador. That was in September. And now the Qatar Airways has a private jet, and they flew actually to Madeira for the Bitcoin conference. And the day later, it hit $65,000. Bitcoin hit $65,000 today. Now, keep in mind, the Qatar Central Bank has about $80 billion of assets. And if you put maybe 5% of that, consider, like, if they decided, hey, you know what, we don't want to miss the boat. We understand that Larry Fink and all of his buddies are getting in. We want to jump on the bandwagon. If he even put 5%, we would be smashing through $100,000. And I actually will cover that a little bit later, because that's what you think, $100,000. It's probably going to be much, much more. I'm going to explain that in a little bit, but hold on. First, what you need to consider is that supply only on exchanges are at 6-year lows right now. So there's a massive supply crunch happening. And not only that, you have BlackRock, you have Fidelity, you have all these other entities, institutions buying up Bitcoin, and they're probably rushing because their understanding of supply and demand is that the halving is going to happen, I think, in like 40 something days from now. And, you know, they're understanding, wow, this isn't going to last forever. These prices are not going to last forever. I think that's why you're seeing such a boom in prices. And you're also seeing a lot of people on the sidelines because, I mean, there's nobody like ecstatic on Twitter right now. Whereas last bull market, when we were at $60,000, man, it was like a party going on, and then it crashed. Now, speaking about supply crunch, we just had Cash App. I'm not kidding you on this. This is real. I'm going to show you a screenshot of this. But Cash App ran out of Bitcoin. Here is a photo of a screenshot of a customer that received noticed that they ran out of Bitcoin. Now let's go over to Coinbase. All right. So Vijay Boyapati, he said causes for concern that the company Coinbase that couldn't keep their website up when Bitcoin rallies, despite having over a decade to solve this problem, is the same company that is the custodian for all the spotted Bitcoin ETFs. That is a really big concern. Now, my take on that is that there's not enough Bitcoin to go around. They're having a hard time getting Bitcoin, in my opinion. And I think this is going to happen more and more. And actually, what you're experiencing right now is that the whole world is waking up to Bitcoin, especially now that it's on TV, it's on CNBC, being touted by institutions. We never had Larry Fink or other people talking about Bitcoin. But keep in mind that centralized exchanges have been going down every single bull market that we've had, and this time is no different. But let me know in the comments below if you think BlackRock is being affected by these shutdowns from Coinbase, or if you think they have a secret gateway. Anyways, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.